My name is Shreya Gadagoju, and I'll be teaching y'all how to convert atoms to grams and grams to atoms. All right, the first thing you gotta know is that you cannot go directly from grams to atoms. You're gonna have to go from grams to moles to atoms. Let me explain this in a little bit of a more realistic sense. Take this real world example. So let's just say you have some funds in your savings account up top over here, and you want to go to the store and get some candy. Well, you can't take the funds in your savings account directly and put it towards the candy that you want at that store. You're going to actually have to go through and get some sort of money in between to give to the people who own the store and the cashiers at the store through like whatever you want it to be, cash, debit, e-pay. But the idea is that from your savings account to getting your final product, the candy that you want, there needs to be this intermediate step or value that is used to get you from point A to your final product. So that's like your money in this situation. Now, coming back to the idea of converting from grams to atoms, that middle step, like your money, is your moles. Alright, so now that we know how moles is involved, we can take it from here. So if you have grams from the very beginning, you're going to divide by your molar mass to get to your moles, and then you're going to multiply by Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02214 times 10 to the 23rd atoms per mole to get your atoms. Now, if you start with atoms, you're going to divide by Avogadro's constant to get your moles, and then you're going to go from moles to grams by multiplying by your molar mass. That's the overall sum. Now that's quite a lot of information. So a better way to look at this is as a unit conversion problem. So let's take this example problem for lead. We start off with 414.4 grams of lead over here. We divide by the molar mass of lead and we multiply by Avogadro's constant. So how do we know to do this? We start off with grams of lead. Whenever we divide, we get rid of grams and we have moles. When we multiply by Avogadro's constant, we get rid of moles, leaving you with atoms, which is what you want in the end.